Right, so this is a studio terrace on the 30th floor at Cosmo. It's a refurbished room, you can tell that because it's got the screen there now. Jet tub. Where the controls are, I don't know. Huge shower. Loo. His and hers sinks. Tired traveller. Huge telly there. Nice sofa. Books that nobody reads probably. That's a huge telly. Ridiculously priced minibar items and water that probably people haven't touched for a long time. I used a new iPad control. They didn't have this last time I was here. It's a silly minibar. Touch it, you pay for it. Fridge, which is, just check, nice and cold. Put the drinks in because they're going to pop across the road. Cupboard for all the winnings. Lovely looking bed with all the controls. Groovy reading lights. Wardrobes, robes, spare duvet or pillow, one of the two, and no more spooky faces in these cupboards since the renovation. Nice safe, I think it's big enough for laptops, iPads, other things. Come on, this is why you come to the Cosmo, to get a terrace room and to get a fabulous view. It's pretty cold out here, it's about 10 degrees or 52 in old money. Lovely view over to Bellagio and an absolutely superb fountain view. This is the 30th floor. You actually get to see the fountains go up a bit more here than you do when it's higher up, because you tend to get almost an aerial view of them from much higher up, because this is the Chelsea Tower and that is the Boulevard Tower. And last time I stayed here, I think I was up on about floor 67. But this is the Chelsea Tower, room 3007 at the Cosmopolitan in good old Las Vegas.